Hello everybody. So today I'm sharing with you the steps I took to make this glow-in-the-dark love rock. So let's get started. So to begin with, I painted my whole rock black and then I painted the top white. And here I'm sighting out where I want each letter in the word love to go. This kind of helps me with my spacing before I actually start kind of drawing on the rock. Because it's already painted with a heavy coat of white, it's not going to erase quite as well. So I'm trying to sight it in first. When using glow-in-the-dark paint, it works better if you put it on a white background. It will just show up and glow a lot brighter. To sketch out the word love, I'm using the Faber-Castell Graphite Aquarelle pencils, which the aquarelle means that they're water soluble, so you can erase the lines with water. And just for complete transparency, I didn't come up with this design. I think it's been a while since I painted this rock, but I think I saw it on Pinterest, if I'm not mistaken. But this is either a font or somebody else's creation completely or whatever, but I just loved it. So now I'm just taking red acrylic paint and a detail brush and painting in the hearts. Now that I have my hearts all drawn in, I'm going to go in and do the lettering all in black. Now when doing straight lines like there are on these letters, it's easier to pull a straight line towards you. So you'll notice that I'll rotate the rock so that I'm always kind of pulling towards my body. It's easier to make a straight line that way. Now the detail brush that I'm using is a 12/0 by Master's Touch, which Master's Touch is the Hobby Lobby brand. And once I got this rock all completed, I then decided to add the glow-in-the-dark paint, which I do not recommend. I would recommend before you get started, after you paint the rock white, then go over the white with a very thick layer of the glow-in-the-dark paint. Then put your word love on the rock and the hearts. I don't have it recorded where I turn this into a glow-in-the-dark because it was an afterthought and I didn't record that part. But like I said, do that first before adding the letters onto the rock. So here's what the rock looked like in the daytime and at night with it glowing. It's really pretty. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like and subscribe so you're notified of any of my upcoming videos. I release videos twice a week, Wednesdays and Saturdays. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.